The electric vehicle maker Tesla continues to defy the odds with its impressive performance in China. Amid a broader slump in the automotive market in the world's second largest economy, China, new data released on Wednesday highlights Tesla's standout success. And this is from today. And that success is even more impressive. So the data shows a decline in the overall automotive market in China, making Tesla's performance even more remarkable in comparison to that decline. The company's success in the country is a testament to its commitment to innovation and sustainability, as well as its ability to adapt to the challenges of rapidly changing market. I'm going to tell you about those challenges in a moment. So despite the sluggish global economy and the decline in the overall electric vehicle industry in China, Tesla has managed to achieve an 18% month-over-month growth in its China sales in January. The news, which was announced last Friday, has caught the attention of investors and industry experts alike. The automotive industry in China has been facing a slowdown in recent times, with electric vehicle sales dropping by around 45% across the country. This decline can be attributed to several factors, including a decline in the consumer confidence, government subsidies for electric vehicles being reduced, and an overall slowdown in the Chinese economy. However, despite these challenges that I just mentioned, Tesla has managed to stand out from the crowd and achieve impressive sales growth. Why is Tesla successful in China? I would attribute it to several factors, including its brand recognition, product quality, and customer loyalty. Tesla's focus on innovation and sustainability has also made it a popular choice among environmentally conscious customers in China. Now, some of you may say, Armin, Tesla sales in China were down substantially month over month. But here you must include exports. Gary Black, the managing partner of the Future Fund LLC, says in a tweet, "First month of the quarter is always less than third month of prior quarter, since Tesla prioritizes exports in first month over the quarter." Alternatively, you can look at the year over year or first month of the quarter versus first month of the prior quarter. Both show Tesla up in China NEV industry down sharply. Tesla's growth in China also highlights the company's strategic importance in the global automotive industry. The country is the largest market for electric vehicles and for vehicles in general, and is expected to lead the way in the transition to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation system. With its impressive growth in China, Tesla is well positioned to take advantage of this market opportunity and continue to expand its presence in the country. However, despite Tesla's success in China, there are still challenges that the company must overcome. Remember, a little bit ago I said I will talk about those challenges. So the Chinese government has recently announced plans to tighten regulations for electric vehicles, like I said, reduction of the subsidies, some of them, which could impact Tesla's sales in the country. Additionally, the company is facing increased competition from domestic automakers who are investing heavily in the development of their own electric vehicle technologies. If you remember, Elon Musk recently even spoke about that. Despite these challenges, however, Tesla's impressive growth in China is a testament to the company's ability to adapt and succeed in a rapidly changing market. Investors and industry experts will be closely monitoring Tesla's performance in China in the coming months as the company continues to push the boundaries of innovation and sustainability. And we will also do this in this channel, friends. This is why I'm asking you to subscribe so you do stay in touch. Now let's take a look at the factors contributing to China's falling car sales. Why did they fall? So according to recent data from the China Passenger Car Association, passenger car retail sales in January were 1.3 million, at 40% drop from December's 2.19 million vehicles sold, and 38% over the January 2022. The significant decrease in sales can be attributed to several factors, including the early Lunar New Year holiday and the end of electric car subsidies and vehicle purchase tax cuts. The early Lunar New Year holiday, which started in mid-January, reduced the number of working days in the month to 20 instead of 30, which has a negative impact on car sales. The holiday season is usually a busy time for auto dealerships, as many people take advantage of the time off to purchase new vehicles. However, with the holiday falling earlier in the month this year, dealerships were not able to take advantage of the usual boost in sales. So keep that in mind, please. Another factor that contributed to the decline in car sales in China was the end of electric car subsidies and vehicle purchase tax cuts. The subsidies had encouraged many customers to purchase electric vehicles, but with their removal, the demand for these electric cars decreased significantly. Additionally, the vehicle purchase tax cuts, which had been in place to stimulate the auto market, also came to an end, further reducing demands. This is why Tesla's success is so important on the backdrop of this. So you see, not only a reason, but one should attribute the falling car sales in China in January 2023 to a combination of factors, including the early Lunar New Year holiday, the end of electric car subsidies, and vehicle purchase tax cuts. While these factors had a significant impact on sales, it's important to keep in mind that the market can be unpredictable and that it's possible for sales to recover in the coming months. So we'll see how things go. We're gonna keep our finger on the pulse of that. But Tesla has been able to overcome various challenges and post strong sales growth in China. Despite cutting prices for its vehicles in China on January 6, Tesla was able to deliver 66,051 cars from its Gigafactory Shanghai last month, a remarkable 18% increase from December and 10% from the same period the previous year. This strong start to the year for Tesla sales in China is particularly impressive considering the various challenges that the company has faced, including increased competition, economic slowdown, and supply chain disruptions due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, Tesla's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has enabled it to overcome these obstacles and continue to grow its market share in the world's largest electric vehicle market. Furthermore, Tesla's strong sales growth in China has also had a positive impact on Tesla stock, which is now close to 60% up so far in 2023. This is a clear indication of the company's resilience and ability to deliver results despite adverse conditions. So I think with a bright outlook for the future, Tesla is well positioned to continue its growth and success in the Chinese market. Tesla's impressive growth in China, despite the decline in the overall electric vehicle industry in China, is indeed a remarkable achievement. The company's focus on innovation and sustainability has made it a popular choice among environmentally conscious people in the country. Moreover, with China being the largest market for electric vehicles, Tesla's success in the country highlights the company's strategic importance in the global automotive industry. Having said this, you should also keep in mind the challenges which I just described above. The recent Chinese announcement of tighter regulations for electric vehicles, meaning cutting the subsidies. This could impact companies' sales in the country, Tesla's sales in the country. That's why Tesla is dropping prices. Additionally, Tesla is facing increased competition, like I said, from domestic car makers who are investing heavily in their own electric vehicle technologies. But the automotive industry is constantly evolving, and the companies must be able to adapt to changes in order to maintain their success. Whether Tesla will be able to overcome these changes and continue to impressive growth in China remains to be seen, and I'm going to report on that as they happen. But the company's focus on innovation and sustainability suggests that it is well positioned to do so. So I think Tesla's sales growth in China is a sign of the company's strength and resilience in the face of a challenging global economy. Despite the broader automotive slump in the world's second largest economy, Tesla has indeed managed to stand out and achieve impressive sales growth because of the reasons that I just described. With its focus on innovation and sustainability, the company is well positioned to continue its success in China and beyond. Do you agree with that? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Give us thumbs up for this report, guys. That helps me tremendously. And tweet it out, and we'll continue the discussion in the comment section below. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.